There are three dominant theories right now that might account for the specific difficulty that the student has that interferes with learning to read because of the way the brain is formed. The first one has to do with phonological awareness, or the ability to consciously recognize that there are breaks between words in spoken language, that words may be made up of syllables, and all words are made up of sounds. To address that problem, the theorists have looked at the term segmentation. And here is an example of the increasing complexity of tasks when we think about the ability to segment spoken language and how that relates to the ability to think about letters and sounds and words and sentences. Now, another dominant theory has to do with the speed of processing. Not just can you process language into its component parts, but at what speed can you use language and can you recall language? Here is a graph of children who are normal readers from grades 3 through 8. And this is their average rate of reading in a passage or paragraph. These children in the green line are dyslexics. And you see that from the very beginning, they are much slower in their ability. Not that they cannot read the words, but they are much slower in their recall of the words even when they know them. A third prominent theory about dyslexia has to do with the orthography of the language, the way in which letters and sounds come together in patterns. On this page of this book, the child's task would be to try to distinguish the short I from the long I sound. Grin has a short I sound. White has a long I sound. But so does right, R-I-G-H-T. And so what we see here is there are different ways to spell the same sound. The orthography, or knowledge of the orthography, is what is being developed in this exercise to help children recognize and become more fluent in their ability to decode as well as spell this long I sound in different ways.